Okay, today's date is August 11th, 2023, and with that shadow on the VW, the game plan here is to get the VW from underneath its protective barrier here, and what we're going to do is bring it over here in the driveway, and I'm going to start working on putting the engine in. We're going to take the hood. It's stuck on there, so I have to take the bolts loose on the hinges here. So anyway, I just wanted to, that's not going to be a good picture. Okay, well, I got it. I got the El Camino back in the driveway. I've got the VW right here. I'm going to center it in the garage here in a second. So the first thing I'm going to do before I do anything, it's about 5:30 or 6 right now, so the temperature's down. I have to loosen up some bolts. And if you look in here, I can reach those bolts on the hood latch, and even if I can loosen them up some, I'll be able to get over there. But I thought I was going to be able to reach through here where the gas gauge goes, right here, but that doesn't look like that's going to happen. And it's not open underneath here. I'll have to pull this off and reach through and get the bolts right here on this side of the hood. So that's what I'm going to be working on right now. I kind of like to do small jobs before I get into the big ones. You kind of have to you know, touch your project and mess with it before you get into the big parts. So I have to get that off first, so I have access to the master brake cylinder, the reservoir, the line, and all that stuff. So I'll be going over that when I get to that point. Okay, so we're back. I got my brother helping me with this. He's gonna take out this master brake cylinder, and we're just going to disconnect these brake connections here. This is the one that goes to the back brakes. This is front, left and right, and it looks like the hoses are pretty good. We just got to get rid of the black widows, and we're going to be changing out the filter and all of this on here while we're here. So that'll get our fuel system ready to go. And as soon as George is done doing what he's doing there, we're going to get all the spider webs and everything off. I'm going to pull the wheels off and slide it over here a little bit more, another foot, so I have some room on the other side. We're going to pull the wheels off and then begin breaking loose the drums and getting ready to do the brake job here. Hopefully we'll have that done tonight or tomorrow, and other than that, I'll be back. Okay, here's another update. We got the nuts loose on the master brake cylinder, and the next thing is we're going to get the brake switch off. I don't know if that works or not yet. And I just got the floor jack here. I got my stands. I got to get the I got to go get my impact wrench and everything. I'll be pulling. I got a low tire here. They said this rim was bent when they put it on there, so I'm going to Monday take that over with the 4Runner and have them put it on another rim, which is right here. So anyway, that's the update. Okay, I'm back. I pulled the engine out. I'm going to put a 12-volt starter on here and get my battery and all that stuff and get some gas. So anyway, I'm just getting this prepped for tomorrow's startup. So we're going to see, and then I'll see if I can tune those carbonators. And I don't have a coil here, so I got to get a coil. I don't know where that is.
Like that wheel's good.
Yeah, so anyway, I got a few things to get before I can start this up. And I'm going to be putting this on the stands here in a minute and pulling the drums off. In preparation, I'm going to heat this nut up before I try to take it off. They're always really hard. It's 300 foot-pounds or something like that. So anyway, that's what's going to happen here in a few minutes. So that's the next update.